Russian army launched offensives in multiple directions in Donetsk. Russia said it launched attacks on multiple fronts and shot down Ukrainian drones, while Ukraine said it had repelled rounds of Russia's offensive in Bakhmut, according to the official briefings of the two countries on April the 3rd. The Russian Ministry of Defense said that the Russian army launched offensives in multiple directions, such as Kupiansk, Liman and Donetsk. Russian air defense forces intercepted multiple rockets and shot down multiple drones. The General Staff of the Ukrainian Armed Forces said in a battle report that the Russian army continued to attack Bakhmut and tried to gain a complete control over the region. The Ukrainian army repelled dozens of attacks by the Russian army in Bakhmut. In the past 24 hours, Ukrainian artillery units struck targets including concentration areas of Russian manpower and equipment, command posts, and air defense system positions. Secretary General of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, Jens Stoltenberg, said Monday that since the outbreak of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, NATO member countries have provided more than 65 billion euros in military support to Ukraine. The alliance will also discuss a multi-year support program for Ukraine, which will be on the agenda of the meeting of NATO foreign ministries on April the 4th to the 5th, Stoltenberg said.